10 benefits of eating poha for breakfast. Benefits of eating poha for first, breakfast. Poha, also known as flattened rice or beaten rice, is a popular breakfast dish in India and other South Asian countries. Second, carbohydrates. Poha is rich in carbohydrates, providing the necessary energy to kickstart your day. Third, low in calories. Poha is low in calories, making it an ideal breakfast option for those aiming for weight management. Fourth, gluten-free. Poha is naturally gluten-free, making it suitable for individuals with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. Fifth, easy to digest. Poha is easy to digest, making it a perfect morning meal option. Sixth, rich in iron. Poha contains iron, which is essential for maintaining hemoglobin levels and preventing anemia. 7. Provides dietary fiber. Poha contains dietary fiber, aiding in better digestion and promoting gut health. 8. Good source of vitamins and minerals. Poha contains vitamins like B1, B2, B3, B6 and minerals like iron, magnesium and phosphorus, which are essential for overall health. 9. Low in fat. Poha is low in fat, making it a heart-friendly breakfast option. 10. Versatile. Poha can be prepared in various ways, incorporating different vegetables and spices, providing a diverse range of nutrients and flavors. Quick and easy to prepare. Poha can be quickly prepared, making it a convenient option for busy mornings, ensuring you get a nutritious breakfast even when short on time.